Hello YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Bubbles. Today we are achieving this new look. So the first step, we're going to make the weaving lines. Yep. You're going to part your hair according to your choice. I don't know, according to your choice. Divide your hair into portions and then you weave in the center part of your hair, leaving the behind, the sides, and the front parts. Because we want to achieve a 360 look. This process can be tiring for us, so take your time. Then make sure your hair was washed and blow dried. And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. Also guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more content of how to do DIY, cooking videos, etc. So we're still, plating the weavings. You can plait however you want, as long as you know what look you're going to achieve. But ours is a 360 kind of look. It's not a must the lines to be straight, so long as you've divided the frontal part, the front part, the back parts. That's all that matters. Empty hearts and neon lights, the playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a
click the link and subscribe. So when it comes to the second step, we're making braid. We're using braids to create the weavings or tappings or whatever. So you take braid, you pass it through your thread, create a loop, and that's how you do it. Create a weaving, and then you should burn it with a dryer on the top part so that it doesn't look messy. See? Then comp it out. You can improvise. It's basically a traditional sewing. We're applying some oil between the line to avoid dandruffs, promoting air growth and treatment. Applied both air food and treat at the same time. You can do it however you like. That's how I like it. We are halfway done with the process. These are the weavings we're going to be using from the braid. You know the background. I like to start at the center and then finish with the back and the front. So the center part, because I want to achieve a look that it doesn't contain a lot of these braidings or weavings, whatever. Yeah. We are sewing in. It took me about 1 hour, 30 minutes because I was shooting. I had, but on a normal day, it takes like 1 hour. And then the back part, we're going to crochet the parts where we can't reach, weave in, and some sides. Look at the process, guys. So now we are going to style the front and the back and the sides. If you have a flat iron, you can flat iron your front, your side, and your back. But since I didn't have a flat iron at that day, I had to Blowdry my parts. Then later on, I went to flat iron the nearest salon. I'm applying the heat protector, guys, because I want to achieve like a silky press with my Blowdry. Look at that. Hey. Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. You can style different styles. If you have a flat iron, don't mind. Since I have a Blowdry, I had to style according to my budget. That's me there. Trying to blow dry.
more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now
It looks better with a flat iron though.
to where
But
we
the Blowdry
started
did, an amazing job.
Get me out of now to where we started out.
You blow the sides too. This process can be very tiring, but very economical. It's budget friendly because you only need a braid, a black thread, a blow dry. Maybe on the heat protector part, you can use your hair food or treatment, but it's budget friendly. We call it budget friendly. Yeah, budget friendly. So let's now go to the part where I style my hair. Look at that. You see the blood ray is doing a great job.
The playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to
I was
find
trying to
someone
hit the
if
center
my
parts
feels like home.
so that it would lay easily
I hate
and
all this
it would be easy for me to
overthinking.
style it however I want it. You know,
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of
the style was,
silver.
oh, look at my comb.
Heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere
I
unfamiliar.
get back
Bring me
character.
back to where we started out.
So now we're styling.
Get
Yeah.
me out of now.
This is the part where if you have makeup, you go put your makeup and then you come out
Get me out
when
of
you've already styled it. Forgotten that the back part I didn't, well, it. So I had to do it and then, so that I can achieve a ponytail.
broken hearts and starting fights.
Look at that.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting
You
time.
can't even tell the difference
Yeah, I
between the
wanna
hair
run
and
off and fly.
braiding.
And I'll tell myself
It was
it's
amazing.
fine
I
to
love
be
this style.
alone.
In fact, I did this style because
Just to find someone
I did this
that
hairstyle
finally
because of
feels
this
like
specific
home.
ponytail. This one and the side, whatever side part.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
I was thinking of getting some curls and but I did it, but I wasn't able to record it. It was already late. So I went to the next hairstyle, which was this low bun. Or do we call it lower bun? Lower bun, and it came out amazing. Look at that. You couldn't tell. I had to shape the edges, and I forgot to take pictures. Yeah, I had planned to. So the next style was this amazing style. I loved it. I've seen these styles in, American movies, those black American women, they always do this style. So I had to do it, you know, representing Africa ish. Madam Africa. Hey! No one can tell me shit. I own this style. Look at that. It was amazing. I was feeling so beautiful. This was like my my second past babe. I don't know. Yeah, it was my favorite. Look at me because of this part. I loved it. Then look at the both style. I pinned both sides. Look at that. No one can tell me that's not my real hair. It looks like my real hair. Look at that. It is so amazing. Not me affirming myself how beautiful I look in those styles. I felt so cute. So cute. I mean, it looks like my real hair. You can do this with just your braiding. Wait, I used 2 braids because my head is small, so you can use 2 sets of braids. I used black. My hair color is black. Next, I'll do with white, maybe. I don't know. I was thinking of installing some white, rotating white braiding inside, but then I'll do that next time. So, with 2 sets of braids, the black thread, a needle for sewing in. That's all. And then maybe hairspray. If you have a hairspray, use hair oil, whatever. Yeah, and then you slay on a budget. I look like a sexy babe, fine babe. Oh, then that stayed for that day. The next morning, I went to the salon to get a scalp press. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. So I had to get this so that I can style my hair differently, you know. And look at that. Look at that. Madam. This is the best. Look at that. We styled that and that was the best. This was the favorite. And this. And there were this one I had to style it, I think yesterday. Subscribe. Enjoy.